Hey, what's going on, my friends? In this video, we are going to talk about Spreadshirt and how you can create your own online shop and start to make money. And I'm talking about passive income. This is one way you can start to generate more income, generate an additional income stream without spending so much time and energy at that time, at the moment. Now, you will have to spend some time and energy in the beginning, get the ball rolling, and depending on your strategic process and your approach to generating awareness, that will potentially influence how much more time and energy you're going to need to spend on an ongoing, continuous basis if you want to see ongoing and continuous sales. As you guys can see, I'm rocking the Adam Helper t-shirt right now. Got a personal branded zip up sweatshirt as well for one of my other brands. And so I have a few different stores technically up here online that people are able to come to if they happen to say, hey, my name's Adam, I want to rock this Adam Helper hat because this is kind of a dope hat. Well, they can come here, make this purchase, and I will get a small commission, a small fee, a small bonus, we'll call it, because of my hard effort, my hard energy that I put into creating my store, coming up with my logo, my design, and putting it out there for the people to decide if they want to make a purchase and invest or buy whatever it is that you have out there. So, I have tons of different things up here. Not too much, but primarily t-shirts and sweatshirts. Occasionally you see a hat, that you saw a bag at the top, and things of that sort. Not too many different things. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm not making it complicated. I have this color, and then there's one in black, like you can see on my shirt, which I'm not sure. I think it might be in another store or something, oh no, it's all here. But so it really isn't that hard. It's not that difficult, but I wanted to make sure you guys know about Spreadshirt as an option when it comes to having an additional income stream. And so this specifically is called print on demand. And if you come over here, POD is the term you might hear. This, I think is probably how it was traditionally first done. Whereas you can see print on demand is a printing technology and business process in which book copies are not printed until the company receives an order, allowing prints of single or small quantities. So it probably started with books and then started to convert and transfer over to other merchandise, other products such as clothing. You come over here, print on demand, or POD is an order fulfillment method where items are printed as soon as an order is made. And Printful is another company that you can work with for print on demand as well. Shopify. There are tons of different services out there, but Spreadshirt is the one that I first began to work with and one that I continue to work with today, and wanted to make sure you guys know about it as well as you start your own company, your own brand. Maybe you want to have multiple shirts of different brand products, things that you're selling under your company, or maybe you just want to create your own little shop or your own brand product, your own store. For me, Adam Helper is my handyman services company, and it also is a name. Like I said, if your name happens to be Adam, you might potentially like this. You might be like, hey, I want to rock this. Or maybe you just want to show a brother some support by purchasing some gear, which I will have a link to my store down below in the description area if you guys are interested in purchasing any Adam Helper gear for yourself, just to show a brother a little appreciation. Maybe your name's Adam as well. I don't know. But yeah, really simple, not too complicated. I will be creating another video that, like I was saying a moment ago, it's going to not only introduce you to Spreadshirt, which is what I'm doing now, but I'm going to show you the steps to take to create your own account so you can have your own online shop up and running where people might come and purchase some of your t-shirts, some of your merchandise, some of your product, depending on whatever it is you decide to post. Maybe you want to just have your own store, your own shop, and have multiple different designs. That's cool too. You can do that. If you like creating designs or want to work with the graphic designer, that is a pretty dope idea because it, again, is just going to give you more options to work with that might stick with and resonate with more people who will be attracted to your shop, your online store, and will start to maybe share it with other people, drive more awareness, and ultimately increase your sales. So the other aspect to this, of course, is the obvious thing. If you want to focus on helping with generating organic awareness for your business when you are out in the streets, you want to brand yourself, you want to market yourself, you want to promote yourself. I've had a number of people literally question me or stop me and ask me about my logo, my shirt, or, I'll be doing a job and they'll say, "Are you Adam?" that's a pretty good guess, right? They're doing a painting job, or I'm doing something, I don't even know if you guys know how much stuff I actually do, but I'm always grinding, and I provide a variety of different services, from sales and marketing, consulting, video production, to general labor, moving, painting, the whole shebang. True renaissance man. And that's the thing about me. I'm just always motivated, always grinding, always doing something. In this case, hoping to make sure you guys know about this print on demand solution, Spreadshirt, and how you can generate passive income. And I do want to let you guys know, you don't make the full amount that you see listed here. So if someone decides to come over and purchase this particular t-shirt, I unfortunately don't make $16.49. This is the total cost that the individual customer has to pay for this shirt. I get a small cut, a small percentage of this total fee. Usually it's like $1, maybe $2, maybe $3 per product that is purchased. It depends on the pricing that I've decided to set up, and every item is going to be priced different depending on how much it actually costs. So it's completely up to you to decide, hey, if you wanted to jack up this shirt or this hat and say, this hat right here is not just any hat, this hat costs $50. Well, you're gonna get a nice huge cut for that purchase if anyone buys it for $50. Unfortunately, probably gonna, you're decreasing the chances of making a sale with this type of trucker cap being sold for $50. However, you might be able to do it depending on your brand, your audience, and how unique or how limited, little things like that do factor in, and sometimes you can pull off what might seem impossible. But I did want to let you guys know a little bit about kind of the commission aspect of how much money you can make per shirt, because there might be some confusion there. You do not get the full amount of money for the product. Of course, Spreadshirt does have to pay and cover their end and make a little money on their end as well. So you do make some money using Spreadshirt. You can make some solid money. Again, this is another way of increasing your income streams, essentially passive income. You put in the work up front, and you won't really have to do as much work after you already kind of create the shop, get the logo, the brand, and design up there. But I did want to just let you guys know you can make a nice, good amount of money per item, and depending on what that item is. If you have something like a sweatshirt, you might be able to increase the rate of this sweatshirt from $26.49 to $40, which that case, you're making a lot more money for each sweatshirt that is sold. And on that note, I'm going to wrap this video up. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I would love to hear your thoughts about this. Are you interested in creating your own print-on-demand store and hopefully generating some passive income? I bet you are. Like I said, I'll have a link down below in the description area where you can not only check out my own store, my own shop, and make a purchase to support a brother, which you can also do by liking this video, but to also give you guys a way to create your own store. So there will be a few links down below in the description area to hopefully help you guys out. And also, like I said, look out for my upcoming video taking you or walking you through the step-by-step process to create your own Spreadshirt shop. And on that note, let me know what you guys think. Are you currently working with Spreadshirt or Printful or one of these other print-on-demand stores? Is there someone better than Spreadshirt? Let me know your thoughts. I'm trying to get hip to the print-on-demand game more and more as I'm coming up with more brands and more designs and things like that. So we'd love to know about some of the other options that I might be able to benefit, as well as some of the other viewers. And while you're down there, like this video. As I mentioned, it does help me, shows me you guys appreciate and like this type of content, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest video content. And on that note, I appreciate you guys spending some time with me watching this video, but you already know I gotta keep it moving. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.